Hey guys, so this week we are staying at the Wyndham in Williamsburg, Virginia. We're staying at Kingsgate, and I wanted to do a quick room tour for you. This is the outside of the building, of one of the buildings. There's no elevator access. Super cute here. And so you just have to go up the stairs and to the room, but it's really nice. The property is very nice. I'll do a amenity tours next. Okay, so you get up here. Go in. Once you walk in, have the living room area here. Closet with the ironing board. These rooms are attached to other rooms. So if you have a larger party, this is a 2-bedroom. It's getting dark outside, so get the lights on. Garbage disposal. All right, so it's a nice dining room area, separated off from the living room. Full-size kitchen. Everything that you need. And of course it has all the plates, cups, utensils. All right, so this looks like the master. See the view out here. It's nice, private. Bathroom's nice and clean. It's got a combo shower, bathtub. And here's the second bedroom. Okay, this is the master. Sorry, this is the first time I've been in here. And it's getting dark, so it's not very bright, but nice and clean. It's got everything that you need. It's the master bathroom. Tile shower. Again, it's very clean and well kept. So this is a 2-bedroom. Closets, 2 closets. And it is attached to another room if you needed more space, if your party is bigger. But that couch pulls out into a bed. So yeah, guys, this is Kingsgate by Wyndham in Williamsburg, Virginia. Let's see out here. All right, must be another lock I can't figure out, but there's the view. It's got a nice deck. Yeah, so it's very nice and peaceful here. Family friendly, quiet. Hear a lot of nature outside. And we just actually love this area. We've never been here before, and we have really been enjoying it. And so if you're ever planning a trip to Williamsburg, it's a great property. And I will go and do the amenities tour so you can get a look at that. See you in a minute. Bye, guys.